Backseat, leaning on your shoulder. Street signs blurring into nowhere. Your hand tracing on my knee. I breathe, you almost feel like home. Eyes on the mirror, red glow on your skin. Silence between us, humming within. You say it's nothing, I feel it's not right. Talking in circles in the soft blue light. Fading roads at night, taking pieces of us. Every mile, every line pulls harder on my trust. If I let you drive, will we make it alive? Or are we just fading roads at night? Your thumb on the volume, turning us down. Laughing too loudly, drowning the sound of all the questions parked in my chest. How did forever turn into a test? Pull to the shoulder, engine still running, heartbeat stuttering. Tell me what you want, say it or lose me right here in the dark. One word could turn this car around. Fading roads are taking pieces of us. Every mile, every line pulls harder on my trust. If I let you drive, will we make it alive? Or are we just fading roads at night? Your jacket on my chair, glass wetting on the floor, lip print on the rim, still waiting at the door. I replay your hands on my skin, every touch, every spin. All these shadows in my room move like you. Drifting without you, bodies in the dark, but I see you. Reaching through the smoke, I feel you. I'm drifting without you. Your name on my phone, half typed, then erased. back to you. It'll always circle back to you.
The moon hangs low like a lonesome sight. Cicadas hum, the creeks run dry. I sit where the porch boards creak, whiskey whispers in the crack. Too weak. Porch light on an empty soul, burning down, can't make me whole. Flicker, fade, just like you, gone like smoke on a Delta blue. The train moans distant, a hollow call, it echoes deep through the pinewood wall. And you left your shadow in the bed we shared. Now ghosts keep me company, broken and bare. Lonely winds, they know my name, carrying whispers, carrying blame. Porch light on an empty soul, burning down, can't make me whole. Flicker, fade, just like you, gone like smoke on a Delta blue. On the road, your footsteps gone. Shack's just a shell since you moved on. Memories rattle like chains on a gate. The night don't heal, it only waits.
Half-dressed room, clothes on the chair, but I'm not there. Phone face down, staring through the glass, through the air. Lipstick stain on a coffee cup from yesterday. I say I'm fine, but the echo doesn't feel the same. Fading into the dark, slowly pulling apart. I can feel my heart, just a shadow, just a mark. Fading into the dark, every step leaves a scar. Tell me where we are, 'cause I'm fading in
There's a whistle moaning, cuts through the night. A long dirt road, no end in sight. The moon hangs low, it don't give no grace. A shack on the hill, just an empty space. Railroad heart in the dark, beats like a drum, but it's missing the spark. Lonely tracks, they pull me apart. Railroad heart, railroad heart. The dust kicks up, the wind hums a tune. Ghosts of memory under a pale cold moon. I hear a laugh in the creak of the trees, but it's only the night playing tricks on me. Miles to go, the gravel grinds, her shadow lingers, it rewinds. Railroad heart in the dark, beats like a drum, but it's missing a spark. Lonely tracks, they pull me apart. Railroad heart, railroad heart. A bottle of nothing, a pocket of pain, counting the echoes of a midnight train. Her name's a whisper, her touch a flame, but the fire's gone, just the ash remains.
Betray nowhere feels like home. Nowhere feels like home. is quiet, heart is loud, tracing name on the blackout couch. All these thoughts walking over me, but I still can't tell what they mean. I'm vanished in my head. I'm here, but I'm not here. Your shadow in my bed. Your voice I never hear. I'm vanished in my head. I'm lost inside this skin, so empty, overfed, with ghosts that pull me in. Glass on the table, lipstick scar, calling your number that doesn't exist. Every corner, another delay. Same four walls, shift and twist. I touch the door, but I stay. I say your name, it decays. I close my eyes to forget. Then you bloom in the dark again. rocks a cradle, the night's begun. A quiet song for everyone. Just let the night breathe. Let it flow. I trace your name till the ink runs dry. Empty hallway, clock won't move. I'm counting heartbeats, trying to find the proof. Stuck between shadows, too dark, too bright. I keep reaching for you, but you're not on either side. Stuck between shadows, not wrong, not right. I'm lost in the middle of a half-remembered life. Cup on the table, lipstick stain. Your ghost sits quiet on the edge of my brain. I call your number